Welcome to Antique Hardware Supply, your go-to source for high-quality reproduction hardware that brings timeless craftsmanship into your home. Today, we're exploring the benefits of solid brass hardware and why it's a smart choice for every room in your house. From durability to style, brass offers more than just good looks. It's an investment that lasts. Let's take a closer look at what makes it stand out. When it comes to choosing hardware for your home, solid brass is one of the best investments you can make. From door handles and cabinet pulls to hinges and light fixtures, brass offers a combination of durability, style, and long-term value that other materials just can't match. One of the biggest reasons homeowners choose solid brass is its strength. Unlike cheaper alternatives like plated or hollow hardware, solid brass is built to last. It won't crack or wear down over time, even in high-traffic areas like entry doors, kitchens, and bathrooms. When you install brass hardware, you're choosing quality that holds up for decades. Another major advantage: brass is naturally resistant to corrosion. Unlike iron, which can rust, or lower quality metals that tarnish quickly, brass holds up beautifully, even in humid environments. That's why it's such a great option for exterior doors, bathroom fixtures, and even kitchens where exposure to moisture is unavoidable. But beyond durability, brass hardware also enhances the overall look and feel of your home. Whether you prefer a polished high-shine finish, a brushed look for a softer feel, or an aged patina that develops character over time, brass works with just about any style. It blends seamlessly with traditional, modern, or even vintage-inspired designs, making it a versatile choice no matter your aesthetic. And let's not forget about the sturdy feel of brass hardware. When you open a door or pull a drawer, you immediately notice the difference. It has weight. It feels solid and substantial in your hand, unlike lightweight materials that can feel flimsy or cheap. That's the kind of detail that adds a sense of craftsmanship and quality throughout your home. Brass is also a sustainable choice. Many brass fixtures are made from recycled materials, and because it lasts for decades, you won't have to replace it nearly as often as other hardware. That means less waste and a smarter investment in the long run. So whether you're restoring a historic home, upgrading your kitchen, or just looking for small ways to elevate your space, solid brass hardware is a choice that combines beauty, durability, and lasting value. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big impact, both in style and in the way your home feels every day. If you're ready to bring the timeless appeal of solid brass into your home, check out the links in the description below for all the products featured in today's video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos on antique and reproduction hardware. Thanks for joining us at Antique Hardware Supply. We'll see you next time.